If you've built a trading strategy that actually performs, AlphaInsider lets you turn that into a paid strategy where you keep 70% of the subscription revenue. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the entire setup, how you can get verified so you can actually start getting paid, creating the strategy, and one important rule about stock strategies versus crypto strategies that you must know before starting. Let's get into it. So first, we have to make sure we have an active AlphaInsider account. Sign up, create your account, then navigate to the settings tab up in the top right on desktop. And then if you scroll down, there's an option for commissions. You'll get to a page that looks something like this. But if you have not connected Stripe yet, you're going to need to do so. AlphaInsider partners with Stripe, which is a major payment processing platform that tons of major platforms use. So you're going to need to go and verify yourself on Stripe. And then once you do so, come back to AlphaInsider. If you do not do this, you're not going to be able to get paid. You must have an active Stripe account and a place for AlphaInsider to actually send the money when you have subscription revenue or commissions coming in. So now we need to go ahead and create a paid strategy. So I'm going to go to my portfolio tab up in the top right and then click on new strategy. Now on AlphaInsider, you can actually create a bunch of different strategies. Technically speaking, you can manually trade. The vast majority of strategies are created through TradingView as of right now, but there are ways to set up AI agent strategies. So there's not really one route you have to go when creating a strategy. If you're someone with a following looking to verify your track record and then be able to share that with your subscribers or followers, this is a great way to do so. Or if you're someone who does not have a platform, a following, anything like that, you can actually let the results of your strategy speak for themselves. Members will be able to see your strategy results. They just won't be able to get updated on when the strategy takes trades if you put the paywall up. So if your strategy is doing well over time, publicly, everyone will be able to see it. But if they want to subscribe to it, they will need to pay in order to do so. So name it, add your description if you would like to, put a hypothetical starting balance so we can see and track the strategy over time. This is not how much you're actually trading with. This is not how much anybody is trading with. It's just a way for us to see how it trades over time. Then you must decide if it trades stocks or crypto. It cannot do both. It has to be one or the other. If you do have a strategy that trades both, create a separate strategy for stocks and a separate one for crypto. Then you can make it public or private. Once you make it, you'll get to a page that looks like this. It'll have all the details you added from your strategy. You just won't have any data yet unless trades are firing, which we have other videos showing you how to connect your strategy from TradingView or how to create an AI agent strategy. Check those videos out on our YouTube or in the resources tab here on alphainsider.com. Now, when you scroll down to where it says strategy type and it's set to stock, you're going to see a strategy access section that says public or private. If you flip the toggle to cryptocurrency, you're going to add an additional option under strategy access, public, private, and paid. When you click on paid, you can then set the monthly price. Now, I'll talk about why that's the case in just one second, but if you forget to do this and you already have a strategy made, for example, like this one, go up to the edit tab in the top. This is a crypto strategy, so when it says strategy access public, I can change it to paid, and then I can set my monthly price. So I can come over here, and $10 is the minimum price we can set it to. Click on I understand, and then I would be able to click on update. You can set this to any number between $10 and $1,000. Above that or below that, we do not allow at the current time. But anywhere in between that is totally up to you. And again, you'll be taking home 70% of this number. So for every person that subscribes for, let's say, $10 per month, you'll be getting $7 per month over on that commissions page where we connected to Stripe a few minutes ago. Now, I need to mention this. For cryptocurrency strategies, anybody can do this. Crypto is not regulated as of right now the same way that stocks are. But when we get over to stocks, it's a different story. Because you're technically charging for stock advice, that generally means you need to be a registered investment advisor. That's a US securities regulation, not a rule that AlphaInsider made. If you want to do this, you technically can. You just must reach out to our support email in order to get approved, but you'll have to show that you are properly registered. So if that is you, let us know. We can absolutely change it on your end if you provide the proper documentation. Otherwise, for those like you and I, you can make a paid crypto strategy if you want to charge users for getting access to your trading strategy on AlphaInsider. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Either leave a comment on this video or send us a support ticket on our contact us page. This is an awesome feature we offer, and we hope you enjoy using it.